Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email ID on Instagram account. So I'm just going to tap on the Instagram app. Then you can see the profile icon right bottom corner on the screen. Simply tap on that, and again tap here the three line top right corner on the screen, and tap here settings and privacy, and you can see account center. So simply tap on that, then scroll down a little bit, then here you'll see the option personal details. Simply tap on that, and again contact info, add new contact. Okay, you can add new contact and add email. So in this way you can add your email here. So randomly choose an email, or then click here. Adding this email will replace this current email on the next. If you click next, then your current email will be changed. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.